One of the things I've been asked about is gun oils, and I would have to tell you there is no such thing as an oil. There are lubricants and there are finishes. And lubricants are designed to not oxidize, not polymerize, and not get hard. And finishes are designed to oxidize, polymerize, and get hard. So if you're using a finish on metal, you're wrong. And if you're using an oil on wood, you're wrong. So there are a lot of people that believe that this platform should be run dry. Why not?
Why not? They usually only run dry for about a case of ammo before they start slowing down.
Okay.
You get fine residue, carbon, if you will, building up on surfaces that are functional surfaces.
Okay.
And then the gun comes to a screeching halt.
And things don't gall because they're not lubricated.
Things will gall, they'll oxidize, or
galvanic corrosion occurs when two dissimilar metals are in electrolytic contact. So what happens when you get a gun with a steel barrel and an aluminum receiver, if you get that wet, you will get corrosion around the head. You were telling me at lunch today that you've actually seen delta rings break torque because of that.
Yep. I've seen hammer and trigger pins get looser because they were run dry, and then you get, you had mentioned aluminum oxide.
Aluminum oxide takes up more space than aluminum does, so it tends to jack itself in the hole. But if you do have motion, aluminum oxide is also sandpaper. So you've got a bit of a lapping going on there. All right, so I'm of the opinion that most rifles, when you can get away with it, should be run so slatheringly wet that there's a cloud of oil coming off of it. And I personally like having clouds of oil come off, say for instance, when I go to lubricate my Johnson. So as you can see,